Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true. Nobody else made it smooth. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're riding around the love, riding around the trip, riding around the dick, riding around the slap me up. I think I'm throwing a fit. Riding around the world, let you riding around, talk to me. Oh, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, baby. I got you to know, but I'll never fall out of love with you. You. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss, baby. I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this. I want this to feel so bad that I feel it in my chest and I want it. I want it, yeah. But never fall out of love with you.
It's my 21st birthday. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Sydney Simone, and as you see from the title, girl, this is my 21st birthday vlog. Okay, today is August 10th, the day a motherfucking princess was born. Okay, so I'm vlogging. As y'all saw in the last clips, I've been preparing for my birthday by getting my hair and my nails done. Last night I got my nails done, all white. I'm putting my shoes on right now, so that's why I got shoes in my hand. Hold on. Hold on, y'all. Bear with the girl. Oh my god, now the phone just don't want to stay up. Okay, there we go. Alright, so yeah, last night I went and got my, yesterday evening, I got my nails done. I got all white because I actually don't know what I'm wearing tonight, so I wanted to get something neutral that would just match with like anything I end up wearing tonight, because I actually don't freaking know. And then I'm probably gonna buy some rhinestones. Yeah, I'm cheap as hell. I'm probably gonna buy some rhinestones from like Walmart and put them on my nails just to kind of like, you know, birthday them up. And then I also got my hair done last night, later that evening, and this is how it came out. I got a slick up braid ponytail, and it's so freaking cute. Like, I'm literally obsessed with it. She did so freaking good. I'm gonna have her Instagram and stuff like on the screen. And yeah, like, she just did so freaking good. I love it. I've never had my hair like this before. Yeah, I never really just, it's like been a long time since I had like a style like this. Like, I probably hadn't had a style like this since like I was a kid. So yeah, unfortunately I'm working on my freaking birthday, so I'm getting ready for work right now. Like I told y'all before, I'm an RA, so we have training today. Today is our last day of training, so that's why I'm looking like a freaking, I got a freaking collar shirt on. I'm trying to tie my shoe. I got my outfit on now. I just need to pack my bag, lotion up, put some lip gloss on. So let's see. I'm gonna wear this bag today, my little Steve Madden bag, and I need my keys, my student ID, my glasses, I gotta make sure I remember my water bottle. And hey y'all, so I'm off work now and I'm literally in the mall looking for shoes for my birthday outfit the day of my birthday. So let me show y'all the shoes that I'm looking at. So these are the shoes I'm considering. Right now I'm waiting on them to try to go back and see if they have my size. The outfit I'm wearing is a blue romper, and I'll insert pictures or I'll show y'all when I get home, but it's a long sleeve blue romper with the back out from MyOutfitOnline. I got it for Christmas and it's literally so freaking pretty, and I've just never worn it because I've never had like shoes in my purse or accessories to go with it. Say hi, Ash. Hi. So, who's supposed to be a Fuzzies? Then we're supposed to be a Cinco de Mayo.
I want the TikTok.
Then we're supposed to be a Papito. Then we ended up in mugshots. But you know, it's okay, because it's still a great day. Still having a good time.
Next time when you record
and we're going to Hookah next.
You need to be even more fucked up the next time you record this album.
True. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna drink my drink real fast, y'all. For real, for real.
Really fixing them purpose for real.
Okay. Yes,
You ready to put them on? Yeah.
Things you learn from a daughter. I don't want to read this.
You want to read some girl dad that for you?
You that quiz from the father guy.
That's why you should have got that damn loan.
Aw, happy 21st birthday from Dad and Stepmom. We love you.
That's exciting. That's really exciting.
It's okay, they catch up. It's okay.
I mean, think about it all long time.
Uh-oh, okay. Oh, that's cute. Okay. Okay, sure. That's cute too.
Like, how did you get so? Do you know before, right?
That's cute. Huh? Yeah, let me
I want you to know.
I want you to like. I want you to see that
They stole my joints.
Well, now you.
Gift number 2. I'm scared. Why y'all gave me these boy ass colors? Why y'all gave me these blue and green?
You want to accept that or not?
That's not what matters. Dang.
Let me see. Let me see.
Summer.
Let me see. Okay, that's cute. That's cute. I can work with that. Okay, I like it. Thank you. Oh, that's cute too. Thank you.
I'm on the straight to graduate next year.
Don't pick up the boyish bag.
I just talk shit.
Are you?
That's cute though. For real. Thank y'all.
Really? Where you gonna go that weekend?
Oh, that's cute. Thanks.
Is it like when you wear it?
These cute for real. I'm be wearing these to class. I needed some more graphic tees. Cause you know, the graphic tees like you wear them too many times.
Like, I know they be having them.
Niggas gonna be saying you wear the same thing. So I needed this.
Crazy. Like
Me personally, I should kill this.
I was trying to say. Oh, I'm so spoiled. Yeah. Oh, not the Bath and Body Works. Steve, you smelled this before you bought it? You?
Took suggestions.
Right.
On your hose? You ate your hose? Oh. Okay. The hose might know some. It's real good.
I can probably break the leg.
Thank you.
I didn't do anything.
And a hand cream? Oh, I ain't never had to buy nobody wears hand cream.
I got you, gang.
I ain't never had that. And the shower
You
gel.
know, I got you. Keep some humor,
Thank
You're out fast enough.
Shut up, right there. No, this smells good for real. I really like this for real.
You gonna hit it on Instagram? You have it on
Basically.
You did.
I don't think you gonna throw it.
Instagram is like my step.
Thank you.
This is not on. This ain't lined up right. You got the right stance.
I seen you walking with a bag. Please not too much on me.
I'm throwing 90. I was a monster.
About that time.
Yeah, both of y'all gonna be in nursing school together, aren't y'all?
No. Okay, first of all, a journal. And this is a really good gift because I love to write, y'all. Like, journal is really my thing for real.
And that's the point.
Thank you. That's cute as fuck. And I'm almost done with my journal that I got right now anyway. So that's perfect timing. Cute. Cute as fuck. Thank you.
Okay.
Thanks.
Imagine you saw that.
Okay.
You're gonna be so mad.
Love y'all.
Happy birthday. Bye, everyone. It was nice meeting you all. Nice meeting you all. Don't fall tonight, my boy. Don't fall tonight.
Oh, I might. I'm trying to.
Okay.
I'm trying to be you.
Don't fall too hard. Man.
Yeah.
All right, my brother.
Should we? No, that's too loud. That's a lot. You talk louder. Oh, yeah? I ain't know.
Pull up, roll the window down it. Yeah. I pull up, roll the window down it. Yeah. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. Wait a nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100 round drum, got a nigga down with it. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit.
It's my birthday.
Slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit. Take a nigga bitch, you was the bitch, cause I ran off with your shit. I'm a real right blood, and these niggas counterfeit. You pull up on the L, push it before you get killed. I bought a brand new drop and then I put me up some drops. Y'all said real street nigga, y'all ain't on no block.